Hey everyone, and welcome to ARRah. This place is a hidden treasure in the middle of Bihar, India. It's a place where the past meets the present, where old stories are written on the walls. Get ready for an adventure and let's explore what makes ARRah a true survivor, thriving through hundreds of years of change and challenges. Okay, let's get our bearings. Imagine parachuting into Bihar, the land of ancient kings and exciting traditions. You'd land right in the northern part of this amazing state, about 30 miles east of Patna, the busy capital. That's where you'll find ARRah. It sits on the banks of the Soni River, a river that gives life to the land, helping farms grow and shaping its future. This river isn't just a pretty sight. Roads and railroads crisscross the area, connecting ARRah to the rest of Bihar and beyond. It's a busy place where people and stories come together. Think of these roads and railways as the veins of this land, pumping life and energy into ARRah, connecting it to the wider world. Every part of this land whispers stories of the past, and ARRah is no different. This city has seen history happen, and none more important than the First War of Indian Independence in 1857. Imagine this, the air thick with worry, the ground shaking from marching soldiers. ARRah became a battlefield, a place where everyday people fought for their freedom against the powerful British East India Company. The Battle of ARRah, now a famous historical event, was a test of strength, a testament to the bravery of the Indian people. Leading the fight was a true hero, Kunwar Singh, a local leader who became a symbol of resistance. Even though the battle ended in defeat, the spirit of ARRah remained strong. Remembering this day reminds us of the sacrifices made for freedom. But surviving isn't just about overcoming problems, it's about celebrating life, and ARRah knows how to do that. This city, with its rich history and diverse population, has mastered the art of living joyfully despite the challenges. The streets are always alive with the sounds of laughter, music, and the chatter of people who know how to find happiness in the little things. Whether it's a small family gathering or a grand festival, the people of ARRah come together to celebrate with unmatched enthusiasm and warmth. The spirit of this city lives in its bright culture, a mix of old traditions and new ideas. You can see it in the way people dress, blending traditional attire with modern fashion, and in the way they celebrate, combining age-old rituals with contemporary festivities. The heritage buildings stand as a testament to the city's glorious past, while the modern street art reflects its vibrant present. This unique blend creates a tapestry of culture that is both rich and dynamic, making ARRah a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously. As you walk the streets of ARRah, you'll hear folk music, rhythms that have been passed down for generations. These melodies tell stories of love, loss, joy, and sorrow, connecting the present to the past. Street musicians add their own flair, creating a symphony that is uniquely ARRah. The music is not just a form of entertainment, it's a way of life, a means of preserving the city's rich cultural heritage. Every note played and every song sung is a tribute to the generations that have kept these traditions alive. Festivals, full of colour and energy, happen throughout the year in ARRah. Each festival is a grand spectacle, a burst of colours, sounds and flavours that fill the streets and bring the community together. From the vibrant decorations to the delicious food, every aspect of these celebrations is meticulously planned and executed. The festivals are not just events. They are experiences that leave a lasting impression on everyone who participates. They are a testament to the city's ability to celebrate life in all its forms. Holi, Diwali, Durga Puja, each festival is a unique celebration that showcases the diversity and unity of ARRah. Holi, the festival of colours, is a riot of hues, with people throwing coloured powders and water at each other, symbolising the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. Diwali, the festival of lights, transforms the city into a glittering wonderland, with homes and streets adorned with lights and lanterns. Durga Puja, a celebration of the goddess Durga, is marked by grand processions, elaborate decorations and cultural performances. Chhath, each festival, brings people together, making the community stronger and reminding everyone of their shared history. Chhath Puja, a festival dedicated to the sun god, is celebrated with great devotion and reverence. People gather by the river to offer prayers and perform rituals, seeking blessings for health and prosperity. These festivals are more than just celebrations. They are a way of life, a means of preserving the cultural heritage and fostering a sense of community and belonging. Imagine the streets covered in a rainbow of colours during Holi, the festival of colors. The air is filled with laughter and joy as people of all ages come together to celebrate. Children run around with water guns, adults smear each other with colored powders, and everyone dances to the beat of traditional music. It's a time of joy and togetherness, a celebration of life and the triumph of good over evil. The vibrant colors and infectious energy of Holi make it one of the most anticipated festivals in ARRah. Diwali, the festival of lights, makes ARRah shine with a magical glow. The entire city is illuminated with thousands of lights, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Homes are decorated with intricate rangoli designs, and the air is filled with the scent of incense and the sound of firecrackers. Diwali is a time of joy and celebration, a time to come together with family and friends and celebrate the victory of light over darkness, good over evil. The festival brings a sense of warmth and togetherness, making it a truly special time in ARRah. Small clay lamps called diyas flicker in every home, showing the victory of good over evil, hope over despair. These tiny flames symbolize the light of knowledge and wisdom, dispelling the darkness of ignorance. The sight of rows of diyas lighting up the night is a beautiful and heartwarming sight, a reminder of the power of hope and the importance of staying positive even in the face of adversity. Diwali is a time to reflect on the past year, to be grateful for the blessings, and to look forward to the future with hope and optimism. Through it all, the people of ARRah welcome you with kindness. Their warm smiles and friendly gestures make you feel at home, no matter where you come from. The sense of community and belonging is palpable, and it's this spirit of hospitality that makes ARRah truly special. The people of ARRah are proud of their heritage and are always eager to share their traditions and stories with visitors. They know that true strength comes from unity, from sharing their traditions and stories with the world. They know that true strength comes from unity, from sharing their traditions and stories with the world. Traditional storytelling sessions are a common sight, where elders share tales of the past with the younger generation, ensuring that the rich cultural heritage is passed down. Community events showcase the diverse traditions and customs, bringing people together and fostering a sense of pride and belonging. In ARRah, every story told, every tradition shared is a thread in the tapestry of culture that makes this city so unique and vibrant. Surviving often depends on being clever, on adapting to the environment and using what you have. And in ARRah, the land itself provides food and resources. Farming is the most important part of this city's economy. The fertile fields along the Sona River show the hard work of the farmers. Rice paddies shine under the sun, their green stalks swaying in the breeze. Wheat fields, golden and ready to harvest, stretch as far as you can see. But ARRah isn't just about farming. Trading, the age-old practice of buying and selling, is alive and well in ARRah's busy markets. It shows that survival often means adapting and taking on new challenges and opportunities. True strength doesn't just come from being strong, but from knowledge. Knowledge is the foundation upon which we build our lives, our communities, and our futures. It empowers individuals to think critically, solve problems, and make informed decisions. In ARRah, education is seen as the key to unlocking this potential. ARRah knows this and helps its young people learn and grow so they can build a better future. The town invests in its educational institutions, ensuring that students have access to quality resources and opportunities. From primary schools to higher education, the focus is on nurturing curiosity and fostering a love for learning. All over ARRah, schools and colleges are like beacons of hope, their classrooms filled with students who want to learn. These institutions are not just places to gain knowledge, they are communities where students can grow socially and emotionally. The supportive environment encourages students to explore their interests and develop their talents. These places are more than just buildings. They're where young minds are shaped and potential is discovered. Classrooms buzz with the excitement of discovery, whether it's through hands-on experiments, interactive lessons, or collaborative projects. Every day, students are inspired to reach for the stars and achieve their dreams. Teachers work hard to teach the next generation, helping them love learning. They are the guiding lights dedicated to making a difference in their students' lives. Through their passion and commitment, they instill values of perseverance, curiosity, and resilience. Their influence extends beyond the classroom, shaping the future leaders of ARRah. ARRah has a long history of producing smart and successful people who have made a difference in the world. From scientists and engineers to artists and entrepreneurs, the town's alumni have left their mark on various fields. Their achievements serve as an inspiration to current students, showing them that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. And at the center of it all is Bhojpur University, a great place for higher education in the area. The university offers a wide range of programs and courses, catering to diverse interests and career aspirations. Its state-of-the-art facilities and experienced faculty provide an enriching learning experience. Its campus attracts students from everywhere, all wanting to learn more. The vibrant community at Bhojpur University is a melting pot of cultures and ideas, fostering an environment of mutual respect and collaboration. Students here are encouraged to think globally and act locally, preparing them to make a positive impact in the world. It reminds us that surviving in the 21st century takes more than just physical strength. In today's fast-paced world, adaptability, innovation, and continuous learning are crucial. ARRah's commitment to education ensures that its students are well equipped to face the challenges of the future and seize the opportunities that come their way. Every city has its landmarks, those special buildings that tell stories of the past and show what the city is all about. ARRah is no different. Standing tall is Kunwar Singh Fort, remembering the brave warrior who once protected this land. Its old walls tell stories of courage and the fight for freedom. Then there's Surajpura Jain Temple, a peaceful and quiet place. Its detailed carvings, made long ago, are beautiful and make you think. Raghunath Mandir, dedicated to Lord Rama, is another amazing building. Its bright colors and designs are beautiful, and the sounds of prayer fill the air. But maybe the most amazing landmark is the Sona River itself. Its waters flow through ARRah like a silver ribbon, a reminder of the life it gives to the land. Getting around ARRah is easy. The streets are always bustling with activity, filled with the vibrant energy of locals going about their daily lives. Auto rickshaws and bicycles weave through the traffic, creating a lively and dynamic atmosphere. ARRah has its own train station, a busy place where trains come and go, carrying people and things all over India. The station is a hub of activity, with passengers eagerly boarding and disembarking, each with their own story and destination. The rhythmic sound of trains arriving and departing is a constant reminder of the connectivity that ARRah enjoys. The Patna railway line goes through ARRah, making it easy to get to from the state capital and other important cities. This railway line is a lifeline for many, providing a reliable and efficient means of transportation. As the train travels through the picturesque countryside, passengers are treated to scenic views that make the journey enjoyable and memorable. But if you like to travel by road, to feel the wind and sun, then the roads are the best way to go. The rural roads of ARRah offer a unique charm, with motorbikes and cars sharing the space with bicycles. The open roads provide a sense of freedom and adventure, allowing travelers to explore the beautiful landscapes at their own pace. National highways go through ARRah, connecting it to the rest of Bihar. These highways are the arteries of the region, facilitating the movement of people and goods. The well-maintained roads ensure a smooth and comfortable journey, making it easy to reach various destinations across the state. Trucks carry goods to faraway markets, and buses full of people travel the roads, showing how busy life is here. The highways are always bustling with activity, with trucks transporting essential goods and buses ferrying passengers to their destinations. This constant movement is a testament to the vibrant and dynamic nature of ARRah. And if you want to fly, the closest airport is in Patna, a short trip away. Patna Airport connects ARRah to major cities across India, making air travel a convenient option for those who need to cover long distances quickly. The airport is a gateway to the world, offering numerous flights and modern amenities to ensure a comfortable travel experience. No matter how you travel, remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Whether you choose to travel by train, road, or air, each mode of transportation offers its own unique experiences and opportunities to create lasting memories. So embrace the journey and enjoy every moment of it. Surviving is about adapting, about accepting change while remembering what makes a place special. And ARRah, this old city, is doing just that. Even though it values its history, ARRah is growing and changing, becoming more modern. New buildings are going up, their modern designs different from the older buildings around them. The sounds of construction are everywhere, showing that ARRah is always growing and changing. Roads are being made wider and better, making it easier for people and goods to travel. Hospitals are getting bigger, providing good medical care for everyone. It's a city that's growing, looking to the future while remembering its past. So there you have it, our trip through ARRah. We've explored its history, learned about its culture, and seen how it's growing. From its old battlefields to its busy markets, from its exciting festivals to its peaceful temples, ARRah is a special place. So until our next adventure, stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop looking for the hidden treasures that make our world so amazing.